How to send money using Zelle with Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send money using Zelle with your Truist online banking. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with a credential and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to click on transfer and pay and then select send money with Zelle from the drop down menu. And if this is your first time using Zelle, you need to enroll by linking your email address or mobile number to your Twist account so you can just follow the prompts to do that. And after that, on the next page, you have to enter your recipient emails or phone number linked to their Zelle account and type in the amount you want to send and then select the amount you're sending from. And you can also add a note to your payment like dinner last night or happy birthday, but this is optional, but it can be helpful. And with that, at last you have to double check the details, especially your recipient info, and after that you can just click send and the money will be typically arrive within a minute. And that's it. That's how you can send money with Zelle using Truist online banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.